This is an example video of our Teensy reading the accelerometer and gyroscope to output the values of the pitch and roll of the board with respect to its current orientation. I'll start the Matlab program that takes in these values and graphs them in real time. Here you can see an old graph for a test. I'll run the system. We can see numbers start to scroll by. We can see that the graph is starting to populate. The system has oriented itself to a 0-degree reference, which is where we are now. I have a protractor set up over here. We'll set the protractor to 20 degrees. I will then take the board and I will place it at about 20 degrees. And we can see that my hand is shaking here a little bit, but we can see that the pitch, which is shown on the right, in the left column, is showing at about 20 degrees. And the graph shows that the pitch is at 20 degrees. If I place the board back on the table flat, where it started, everything returns to about 0 degrees, and our graph returns to about 0 degrees as well. We can see that we have the ability to have very fast interactions with the board here. We can see that if I wiggle the board around like this, we're getting good oscillation time, and if I put it back to steady, it returns almost perfectly. There is a slight issue with, as you can see, the blue line is no longer tracking at exactly 0. This is due to the fact that I can very easily wiggle around the accelerometer in this spot. So if I were to push the accelerometer back to where it started, everything goes back to 0.